The Biafran Republic Government in Exile, maybe BRGIE, wey dey led by Simon Ekpa, don dey yarn give Southeast governors and other leaders for inside the region say make dem comot body o, make dem stay far, make dem stay clear of negotiating for Biafra declaration and the release of Nnamdi Kanu with Nigeria. And Oga Simon Ekpa, wey dey known as the Prime Minister of BRGIE, he dey yarn this one for inside one statement wey im drop on Sunday through im official X handle. No be small matter, my correct people, and I still bring another interesting informate for you. Dele Momodu, wey be chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, im don compliment Ndi Igbo. Im dey yarn say Igbo people na the most brilliant people on earth, and im dey yarn this one for inside im Instagram live session wey happen on Monday, wey be the 8th day of July, and im compliment the Ndi Igbos as one country person ask am question concerning the state of Nigerians for inside the southeast, and im come use that opportunity take throw small advice give our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Without wasting much of your time, I go like give you the details of this informate wey I carry come for you. The tori be say Simon Ekpa now don dey yarn dey give the southeast governors and leaders for inside the region say make dem comot body o, make dem stay clear of Nnamdi Kanu matter. And this one now dey come as the southeast governors plus lawmakers and other groups from the region and the presidential candidate of the Labour Party for inside the 2023 general elections wey be Mr. Peter Obi, as dem bin chook mouth concerning Nnamdi Kanu matter, and all of them dey call for the release of the indigenous people of Biafran leader, and dem dey yarn say im release na go bring peace to the region. But however, my correct people, the head of the Biafran Republic government in exile, wey be Simon Ekpa, don warn the governors and the leaders against any negotiation, and he say the leaders and the governors dey lack the legitimacy to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. According to him, he said na only the BRGIE, wey be Biafran Republic government in exile, na get the legitimate right to call for the release of Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra declaration. Now, I know say many country people dey go dey confused onto this matter because the leaders and the governors, they were all trying to help. All of them want to see Nnamdi Kanu released from detention. But Simon Ekpa now dey yarn say those governors wey dey parade in the name of negotiating for Nnamdi Kanu's release, say all of them dey sabotage Biafra liberation. Now why im tell them to comot body, make dem stand clear, make dem go far from the matter. And according to how Simon Ekpa take yarn for his statement, he said those selfish politicians and traditional rulers wey dey jump up and down now dey shout for negotiation with Nigeria after they don sabotage the Biafra liberation. He say im dey warn all of them, say make dem no ever speak about the matter again o, and this warning no go come again. Say none of them now get the mandate to speak for Nnamdi Kanu or for Biafrans, and they no go allow anybody negotiate anything again from tonight wey be Sunday. He said the Biafra Republic government in exile, e go remain the only legitimate entity wey go fit talk about Nnamdi Kanu's release and Biafra declaration. Say those selfish individuals now wey dey take center stage and they dey go up and down, dey shout negotiations, so make dem comot body o, make dem stay clear, cause Biafrans are not joking. All this one, my correct people, dey come from Simon Ekpa, wey be the minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile. And my correct people, make we remember say inside last week, the call for the release of Nnamdi Kanu na full the whole of social media, and e come extra massive after southeast governors come meet for inside Enugu state, and the governors come together to meet with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to secure the release of the gallant leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, wey be Nnamdi Kanu. So that's my correct people, na the information about the matter. Anyhow the thing be you for body, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. Moving on to the next information I bring come for you about Dele Momodu as he compliment Ndi Igbo. And all of us know Dele Momodu as a chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, wey be PDP. And according to him, he said Nigerians of the southeast region can be compared to the Japanese, Koreans, Chinese and Indians all rolled in together into one. That is to say, when they don't combine Japanese, combine Koreans, combine Chinese, combine Indians, all of them together, and na that combination na go fit take compare Nigerians of southeast region. Now if you ask me, my correct people, I will tell you say this compliment e massive, no be small. And Oga Dele Momodu no pause there o, instant proceed further. Dey talk say if to say him be presido of we country Nigeria, say him for rush quick go the eastern part of Nigeria and him go start a Silicon Valley. No be rocket science o. Say if he give Igbo man 2 or 3 years, technological revolution go happen for inside we country Nigeria, and they go come dey build their own airplane, and they go come dey produce their own vehicles, and they don already start to dey build their own vehicle sef wey be innocent. No be small matter, my correct people. You see this man wey be Dele Momodu, him talk plenty sense for inside this live video. Him consider yarn say no be by comparison or competition. Say if dem give Igbo people attention, if dem give them wetin dem want, they go produce wetin we country Nigeria need. And if to say our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu go just open eye now, then he come give Igbo people contracts, say he no want make anything like hungry dey for inside we country Nigeria, Igbo people they go deliver because they are good at what they do. But no, nobody go gree give them that offer, nobody go gree give them that contract, nobody go gree give them that opportunity to shine, because say they reason competition something. They go dey reason say how Igbo people now go come big pass Yoruba, or how Igbo people go come big pass the Northerners them. All this kind of level, e no make sense. Say no be by competition, na by things wey go fit help we country Nigeria as a whole. Now make I yarn you another legit, my correct people. You know say this man sef still confess am o. Say Nnamdi Kanu be don even tell him wey be Dele Momodu, say if to say everybody dey reason like him for inside this country Nigeria, then Biafra agitations for no come board. Just imagine the kind truth wey come outside from this man mouth. Because if you check am properly, you go see am say they just carry things wey concern Igbo put one side. They just neglect the nation, they just neglect the region, and it's not making sense. And if you check am properly, you go see am say na this intimidation, na this discrimination, na make the agitation for Biafra come begin. Na why the Biafrans now they kick for their own nation, they kick for their own country. Na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey be the gallant leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, na start am. They come put down for prison, thinking say the agitation will stop. But no. Now Simon Ekpa don rise up, he don start his own on a different pattern. Now we go sit down dey observe, make we check whether the federal government they go fit oppress Simon Ekpa, whether they go fit put am in chains, whether they go fit put am for inside prison the way dem take put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for inside prison. So my correct people, this na the informate wey Asimika pass give all of una. Any how the thing be you for body, or if you get contribution about the matter, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and now we dey bring the ogbonge and legitimate information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside this our country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive news like that, make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first get the update and you go get am sharp. And abeg no dey stingy with the news, try dey share to your family and friends, make them too know wetin dey happen for inside this our country Nigeria. I dey come with another update for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.